Do you want to speak English like a native speaker? Then listen to this.
Hi everyone, I'm Amelia, and today we're learning 10 real conversations you use every single day.
From the moment you wake up until you go to bed, you'll hear these phrases. And guess what? After today, you'll be able to use them too.
That's right, we have the free PDF with all 10 conversations ready to download. Check the description and the first comment.
Today, you're learning through real dialogues. You'll listen, and then you can shadow us. Speaking of which, please subscribe and click that thumbs up button.
Exactly. Let's jump in. We're covering conversations about greetings, ordering coffee, shopping, and more. Ready?
Let's go. Today, Sophie is here with us. Sophie is an English teacher from London. Welcome, Sophie.
Thank you, Mark. Happy to be here.
Sophie, let's start with the first conversation. How do we greet a friend in the morning?
It's actually simpler than you think. Let me show you. Imagine we're at work and we see each other.
Okay, let's pretend we just arrived at the office. I'll be your colleague.
Perfect. Good morning, Mark. How are you today?
I'm very good, thank you. How are you?
I'm excellent. Thanks for asking. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept very well. I had a great breakfast this morning, so I feel great.
That's wonderful. I love when I start the day with a good breakfast, too.
Now here's something important. Notice we used very good and excellent. These are natural responses in English.
Right. You could also say, I'm fine, thanks, or I'm doing well. All of these are correct.
Can we also use shorter answers?
Absolutely. You can say, good morning, or hi, how are you? And just reply with, good, thanks.
What if we're not having a good day? Can we say that?
Yes, you might say, I'm a bit tired today, or I'm okay, but I'm not feeling great. English speakers appreciate honesty.
Great. So from that conversation, you learned these key phrases for greetings. Let me list them for you.
We covered good morning, how are you, and different ways to answer, like I'm very good, I'm excellent, and I'm doing well.
Plus, you learned how to be honest and say, I'm a bit tired when you're not having a good day. Next, we're going to the coffee shop.
Everyone buys coffee, right? Let's learn how to order it.
Now we have James with us. James is a barista in New York City. Hi, James.
Hey, Amelia. Great to be here.
James, you hear this conversation 100 times a day, right?
More like 1,000 times. But it's very simple English.
Let's pretend I'm a customer and you're making coffee. Show us what happens.
Perfect. Welcome to my coffee shop. What can I get you today?
I would like a cappuccino, please, with 1 sugar and no milk.
1 cappuccino with 1 sugar and no milk. Is that for here or to go?
I'll have it to go, please. How much does it cost?
That's $5, please. Cash or card?
Card is fine. Do you have a receipt?
Of course. Here you go. Your cappuccino will be ready in just 2 minutes.
Thank you so much. That was perfect. James, what are the most common orders you hear?
People usually say, I'd like a coffee, or can I have a cappuccino? Very simple sentences.
And the most important thing is to remember for here or to go?
Exactly. That's the question I ask everyone. And people need to know what size they want. Small, medium, or large.
Should they also ask the price?
Some do, but usually the price is written on the menu. But it's always polite to ask.
Okay, let's look at what you just learned in a coffee shop.
The main phrases are, what can I get you? And I would like a cappuccino, please. Notice how polite it is to say please.
You also need to answer for here or to go. That's super important in English-speaking countries.
And remember to ask about the price if you're not sure. Now, let's go shopping.
Lisa is a fashion shop assistant. Welcome, Lisa.
Hi, Mark. I'm excited to talk about shopping today.
Lisa, let's imagine we're in your store. I want to buy a new shirt.
Great. Welcome to my shop. Can I help you find anything?
Yes, I'm looking for a blue shirt. Do you have any in my size?
What size do you wear? Small, medium, or large?
I usually wear a medium. Do you have this one in blue?
Let me check. We have it in small and large, but not in medium right now. Would you like to try the large?
Can I try it on first? Where is the changing room?
Of course. The changing room is right over there, behind that mirror.
Okay, I tried it on and it's too big. Can you help me find a smaller size in blue?
I can order it for you. It will arrive in about 5 days. Is that okay?
Yes, that's fine. How much is the shirt?
It's $25.
All right, I'll take it. Can I pay with a credit card?
Absolutely. We accept all credit cards. Thank you for shopping with us.
In that conversation, you heard some important shopping words and phrases.
Like, can I help you? And what size do you wear? These are things shop assistants ask all the time.
You also learned too big, too small, and the right size. These help you explain what you need.
And don't forget changing room and credit card. These are essential words for shopping.
Next, we're meeting a friend. David is here with us now. David is a tour guide. Welcome, David.
Thanks for having me, Amelia. I love this conversation because I use it every day.
Let's pretend we're old friends and we want to meet up. You start the conversation.
Hey, I haven't seen you in a long time. How have you been?
I've been good, thanks. I've been very busy with work, but I'm happy to see you.
Me too. I miss our conversations. Do you want to grab coffee sometime?
That sounds great. When are you free? This weekend?
Yes, this weekend works for me. Saturday afternoon is perfect for me. What time do you prefer?
How about 2 o'clock? There's a nice cafe near my house.
2 o'clock is perfect. Should I bring anything? Money, perhaps?
No, just yourself. We can split the bill if you want.
That's fair. I'll see you on Saturday at 2 o'clock then.
Great. Should I send you the address? Do you have a phone?
Yes, I do. My phone number is 555-1234. When you send me the address, I'll save it.
So you heard some really natural expressions for planning.
Like, do you want to grab coffee? And when are you free? These are how friends talk.
You also heard, this weekend works for me, and what time do you prefer? These help you set specific times.
Plus, I'll see you on Saturday at 2 o'clock confirms the plans clearly. This is so important.
Before we continue, remember to download the PDF. All these conversations are organized and ready to print.
The link is in the description and the first comment. Now, let's learn about something else.
Rosa is a travel blogger, and she's always exploring new cities. Rosa, welcome.
Hello, I'm so happy to be here, Mark.
Rosa, asking for directions in English is really important. Let's act it out. You're lost.
Okay, I'm in a new city and I don't know where the train station is. Mark, can you help me?
Of course. I'm walking down the street. You approach me.
Excuse me, can you help me? I'm looking for the train station.
The train station? Yes, sure. Go straight ahead for 2 blocks, then turn left at the traffic light.
2 blocks straight ahead and turn left at the traffic light? Is it far from here?
Not really. It's about 10 minutes walking. You can't miss it because it's a big building.
Is there a bus that goes there?
Yes, you can take bus number 5. It stops right in front of the station.
Thank you so much. This is very helpful. Do you know what time the buses come?
Usually every 15 minutes, but you can check the schedule on that bus stop over there.
Perfect. I really appreciate your help. Have a great day.
You're welcome. Good luck with your trip.
These direction phrases are crucial when you travel.
You learned go straight ahead, turn left, and it's about 10 minutes walking. These are basic but essential.
Rosa also asked, is it far from here? And is there a bus? These are natural questions.
And notice how she thanked Mark at the end with, "Thank you so much. This is very helpful." Being polite in English is always important.
Our last section is about something everyone does, eating at a restaurant. Marco is a restaurant manager from Italy, and he speaks great English. Marco, welcome.
Buongiorno. Good evening, everyone.
Perfect. Let's pretend we're at Marco's restaurant. I'm a customer.
Welcome to my restaurant. Do you have a reservation?
No, I don't. Do you have a table for 2 people?
Let me check. Yes, we have a nice table by the window. Please follow me.
Thank you. The restaurant looks beautiful. Can I see the menu?
Of course. Here is the menu. Our special today is pasta with fresh tomatoes. What can I get you to drink?
I'd like a glass of water and a glass of red wine, please.
Excellent choice. I'll bring those right away. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'll have the pasta special. Can it be without garlic, please?
No problem. I'll ask the chef to prepare it without garlic. Will you have dessert after dinner?
Maybe. Let's see how hungry I am after the pasta.
Good. I'll bring your food in about 20 minutes. Enjoy your drinks.
In that conversation, you learned restaurant English.
The host asks, "Do you have a reservation?" at the beginning. If you don't, just say, "No, I don't."
You heard, "Can I see the menu?" and "What can I get you to drink?" These are normal questions.
Super important is saying what you want. "I'd like the pasta special, please." Notice the word please again.
And if you have special requests, say, "Can it be without garlic?" Restaurant staff love when customers are clear about what they want.
Let's recap all 6 conversations now.
Amelia, I'm going to mention a phrase and you explain what it means. Ready?
Ready? Let's do it.
What does "for here" or "to go" mean?
It means the coffee shop is asking if you want to drink your coffee in the shop or take it with you. For example, "I'll have it to go, please."
Perfect. Next phrase, "too big."
Too big means something doesn't fit you properly because it's larger than you need. You can say, "This shirt is too big. Can I try the smaller size?"
Great. What about "split the bill"?
Split the bill means 2 or more people share the cost. For example, "Can we split the bill?" means, "Can we pay half each?"
Excellent. Now go straight ahead.
This is a direction. It means continue forward, don't turn left or right. You might hear it when asking for directions.
What does "reservation" mean?
A reservation is when you book a table at a restaurant before you arrive. You call and say, "I'd like to make a reservation for 2 people at 7 o'clock."
Perfect. Last one, the special.
The special is a dish the restaurant is featuring that day. It's often delicious and maybe cheaper than regular menu items. Marco said, "Our special today is pasta."
Today, you learned 6 conversations that you use every single day.
You learned how to greet friends, order coffee, shop for clothes, make plans, ask for directions, and eat at a restaurant.
These conversations are real. Real people say these things, and now you can say them too.
Remember, the free PDF has all 6 conversations written out. You can read them, listen to them again, and practice with a friend.
The download link is in the description and the first comment. Print it and keep it with you.
Here's your homework challenge. Write 3 sentences in the comments about your favorite conversation from today. Which one did you like the most?
And tell us, what conversation do you use most in your real life? Coffee shop, restaurant, asking for directions?
We read all your comments, and we love hearing from you. Your English is getting better every day.
Subscribe to the channel if you want more English conversations. Click that thumbs up button.
Next episode, we're doing 10 more daily conversations, where we add shopping, asking for a job, and going to the doctor.
It's going to be incredible. Don't miss it.
Thanks for learning English with us today, everyone.
See you next time.
Bye!
Bye, everyone.